Parrot is known for Bluetooth, but something that some people might not be familiar with, that they actually have an audio heritage. A couple of years ago, they made some audiophile speakers, and now they've extended the technology to high-end, full-size Bluetooth headphones that are designed for music.
Yes. Correct. So in 2008 we launched our first collaboration with Philippe Starck, which, as you quite rightly say, with a set of wireless, quite iconic speakers. Today I'm showing you the Parrot ZiK 2.0, which is our second generation of headphones. Again, a collaboration with Philippe Starck, so the famous French industrial designer. So what we have with the ZiK 2.0 is we still have the very, very simplistic Philippe Starck design, packed full of innovation. So we have full touch panel control on this cup here for moving track, volume, etc., etc. We have super intelligent Bluetooth technology, so no need for any wires. You can just stream audio directly from your phone, wherever it is. So we have a very, very lightweight and comfortable product. We have full hands-free, in fact Bluetooth hands-free HD technology in this product, so you can manage your calls very, very simply. We've taken the noise cancelling to a new level. We've actually introduced a brand new technology called adaptive noise cancelling. And adaptive noise cancelling enables you to turn up and down the level of noise cancelling, because normally adaptive noise...
On and off. It's usually on and off.
Active noise cancelling is on and off.
Yeah.
And sometimes you want a different level of noise cancelling depending where you are. So with Parrot technology, you can adapt it. We've even taken it a step further because you have a street mode as well, and street mode will inject the audio back into your ear. So if you're walking down the street, you can hear pedestrian crossings or buses, etc., etc. So we've really used our audio capabilities and experience to take these to a new level. The first thing you can see is the range of colours: white, blue, orange, mocha, yellow, and
these
black.
What's the materials of these? The range. What's the materials?
The materials?
Yeah. So
we're using alloy type metal on here, and then synthetic leather.
Synthetic leather and alloy. Okay.
Yeah. One thing is obviously the look, the feel, and all of this innovation that we put in it. But more important is how do you interact with it? So we believe at Parrot that the sound engineers shouldn't necessarily tell you how a product should sound. They're your ears, it's your music, it's very personal. You should be able to tailor the music to the way you want to listen to it. So again, in our connected object category, we have created a very, very intuitive app. So firstly, you can see the ZiK 2.0 app, which is available on iOS and Android. It's a free app. You get a very simple battery meter so that you can see how much battery you've got left. You've got some quick shortcuts to turn off noise cancelling, equalizer, the concert hall mode, etc. So you've got some very, very quick and intuitive functions. But what we're more interested in is the audio capabilities of the product and how you change them. And our vision with this is that you should be able to, with the swipe of a finger, be able to do all of the settings of the product. So if you remember earlier, I was talking to you about noise control. I was talking to you about the level of adaptive noise cancelling, and you can see all I'm doing is moving my finger top to bottom, and I'm actually changing the level of noise control. So in real time, this will change the level and adapt the noise cancelling to what you want. So you can hear, when you're wearing the headphones, exactly the change in noise control. Then we've done away, we've ripped up this traditional 5-band equalizer that nobody ever knew what pattern it should be anyway. And again, one swipe of the finger, all I do while I'm listening to music is I just move my finger around like so, and in real time it will change the sound and exactly to how I want to listen to a track. So none of this messing around with the traditional 5-band graphic equalizer. All I'm doing is just changing things here and here. So very, very intuitive and very, very simple. We've kept the concert hall mode. So this, again, very, very simply, I can change the angle of where the sound is coming from, a bit like surround sound, and you can see the degrees are changing there. I've got a silent room, I've got living room, I've got jazz club, I've got concert hall, and again, I can just change the angle of where the sound is coming from. And then we've got some presets. There's two lots of presets. You can either share your own presets, or you could download some free presets from some artists, and that's basically how they want their music listened to. So to create a preset, you can go into the section here, and what you can see, very, very simply, is you click on what you want to do, and again, whilst listening to the music, I'm just dragging my finger around, and I'm getting the sound level I want. So when I finish with that band, I just switch on to another one.
So it seems this user interface, it kind of does the work for those, as you said earlier, compared to the old multi-band equalizer. This does most of the legwork for you.
Exactly. So you've got all of these producer modes, and you can share these over social media with your friends and all of these sorts of things. So we've really tried to make a very, very intuitive app that brings the product to life and enables you really to control it. So this is very much the ZiK 2.0. So this is $549, available now in Australia. So it's a huge evolution on the first generation of product, and as I said, it's still a collaboration with you've got this iconic simple design with Philippe Stark. There's no buttons apart from the on and off button. You've got a traditional cable should you want to. So this is the Parrot ZiK 2.0.